Okay, it's recording, so you just have to point it at me or the drone, and I think first off I'm gonna just take her up and just see how she is, how stable she is. Maybe you can film a little bit. Okay. A shot of this. No, I mean when I take off.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see if I can see anything. Oh, great. I can. Okay, guys, this is our first run with the new FPV. I think we're just going to keep her in normal mode for now and just see how she handles. So, want to see how clear she is. Oh, that's pretty clear. Okay, we're at 3 meters. Okay, so let's go up. Okay, now I did not hear a home point recorded, so I'm not sure whether the home point is actually recorded, but let's go up. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. It's definitely a different experience. You know, I'm kind of afraid of heights, so this is really really different flying this around. But this is great.
Where the hell is your drone?
There's some people in the back playground. Hopefully she's recording. I don't think we're going to weave in between anything right just yet. She flies very, very smoothly. Now, I think if I had an open field, you know, you could definitely go into sport mode, and it's really cool. There's a huge H where we took off. There's a guy running around the track. You can see the lake from here very smoothly. I don't hear anything. Now, I just hope she's recording. I don't see anything on the screen that she's recording. I just heard her go over. She's down to 60%. We're at 53 meters. And I noticed too that, you know, when you're coming in, like she comes in very smoothly, even in normal mode. Like, you know, when you drop her down, she comes in very, very smooth. Very smooth. You know, you can drop her down and she's very smooth. And the picture is crystal clear, like crystal clear. Do you have me there, dear?
I have the drone.
Yeah, okay. You can see the drone? This flies so nice, you know. If I never went into acro, like the way this thing flies is it's absolutely amazing, you know. Okay, we're at 46%. She flies really smooth. I don't know. It's weird though when you're standing and trying to fly. Okay, I think we'll get up a little bit higher. Okay, she's giving me a warning.
Wing like that. Going down.
Hmm? Okay, we're at 34%. We wanted to go through there, but there's some people there, so. You know what, guys? We're down to 33%, and that was a thrill. That is the best flight I have ever had with a pair of goggles on. This is unbelievable. And this thing is just smooth. I'm going to say it's smooth as hell. It is unbelievable. I just hope that she recorded. I did go into settings, and that's one thing I would advise, is going into settings and making sure all the settings are the way you want them. And I did put it in where at takeoff the goggles and the drone would start recording. So let's hope that that actually happens. So wow, what an experience. This is an experience. This is an experience. And of course, before I land it, I want to take a look around. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're coming in. Wow, I'll tell you, I would, you know what, if this was my first drone, I'd probably never fly a regular GPS drone ever again. Like, the thrill behind it is just amazing. It's very immersive. Unbelievable. These goggles are just something, I'm telling you. Wow. Okay, guys, we're landing. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Oh my God. Dear, this is nothing like any Mavic.